Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going on a wild ride, a challenge to take you from absolutely nothing, $0 to a fat stack of cash. We're talking $1,000. Forget those boring financial gurus with their fancy suits. We're diving into the trenches, exploring the hottest, most in-demand ways to make money right now. Whether you're a student drowning in debt just trying to make ends meet, or you're ready to hustle and level up your life, this video is for you. We're talking side hustles, online businesses, investments, the whole 9 yards. I'm talking about strategies anyone can use, no matter your background or experience. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this money. All right, guys, let's get real. Most of us don't have a pile of cash lying around to kickstart our money-making journey, but guess what? You don't need it. There are tons of ways to launch your hustle with $0, and today we're diving headfirst into that world. First things first, we got to tap into the power of the internet. This is where the magic happens, people. Think about it. You've got access to billions of potential customers, limitless resources, and the best part, it's open 24/7. No storefront, no inventory, just pure hustle and the internet as your playground. We're talking about skills you already have or can learn super fast. Can you write a killer blog post? Design eye-catching graphics? Maybe you're a coding whiz or a social media guru. These are gold mines, my friends. And we're about to show you how to turn those skills into a steady stream of cash. Let's talk freelancing, the ultimate side hustle that can quickly become your ticket to freedom. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and working from anywhere in the world. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, it's totally within reach. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are overflowing with clients looking for talented individuals just like you. Whether you're a wordsmith, a graphic designer, a virtual assistant, or a coding ninja, there's a gig out there waiting for you. The key is to build a killer profile that showcases your skills and experience. Don't be afraid to show off your personality and what makes you unique. Remember, clients aren't just looking for skills. They're looking for someone they can connect with and trust. Now, if you're ready to level up and build a real online empire, e-commerce is where it's at. Forget the days of brick-and-mortar stores and massive overhead costs. Today, you can launch a successful online business with just a laptop and a fire in your belly. Think about it. What are people passionate about? What problems can you solve? Maybe you're a fitness fanatic who can create killer workout programs, or a fashionista with an eye for unique designs. Whatever your passion, there's an audience out there eager to support you. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon make it easier than ever to set up shop and start selling. And the best part, you don't even need to handle inventory yourself. Dropshipping allows you to sell products directly from suppliers, so you can focus on what you do best, marketing and building your brand. All right, let's talk about the gig economy, the wild west of side hustles where you can turn your spare time into a goldmine. We're talking about platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart, and TaskRabbit. The possibilities are endless. Whether you've got a car, a bike, or just a smartphone and a can-do attitude, there's a gig out there for you. Want to be your own boss and set your own hours? Boom! Deliver food with DoorDash or groceries with Instacart. Love meeting new people? Become a rideshare driver with Uber or Lyft. The best part is you can work as much or as little as you want, making it the perfect way to earn extra cash on your own terms. No more boring 9-to-5 grind, just pure hustle and the freedom to live life on your own terms. Now let's talk about the real game changer of investing. I know what you're thinking. Investing is for Wall Street hotshots, right? Wrong. These days, anyone can invest and watch their money grow, even if you're starting with just a few bucks. We're talking about the stock market and the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Platforms like Robinhood and Acorns make it incredibly easy to get started, even if you've never invested a dime before. Don't worry, you don't need to be a financial whiz to make smart investments. There are tons of resources available to help you learn the ropes and choose investments that align with your goals. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and watch your money grow over time. And there you have it, folks. These are some of the most in-demand ways to turn $0 into $1,000. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Choose a path that excites you, put in the work, and watch the magic happen. The truth is, making money is all about creativity, hustle, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The world is changing faster than ever before, and with it comes incredible opportunities to build wealth and achieve your dreams. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.